What are you doing? Are you swimming in the pot? We got to show this to Grandma. Oh, him so big. Him is so big.
Oh, he's so adorable. Look at him playing.
Him is so big, he's so happy, I'm so big. Abby those. What are you doing?
He's shaking your booty. Shake your booty, shake your booty.
Baby, baby. Okay.
It's so blonde under. This piece right here.
Mark.
Shut the back gate now.
That's like the blondest piece in my hair.
Marky.
We should have done more.
Where's Romeo doggy?
Where's Romeo? Where's Romeo's? You showy doby. You doby Roby. Marky.
Shut the gate.
I know.
Marco Polo. Marco Polo, shake your booty. Oh, look at his booty.
What are you doing? Where'd the Romeo doggy go? Oh, he likes it when I talk to him about Romeo doggy.
Look at his booty.
He's just like permanent smile. What are you
like
doing?
the painted on type?